Hi, welcome to this tutorial on code building in the system, and we'll be looking in particular at building the categories that house extras. By building categories to house the individual extras, we make it easier for the consultants to add them to reservations, and in addition, it also assists greatly in reporting where you can analyze in more detail. Remember that working with code in the system is a right which is extended to a group, and as a result your group will need to have the right to work with extra categories. Where do we find this? Let's move along the modules and to administration, setup, code tables, financials, and we'll come down to extras category. Click on category. Here we can see the building process, so we'll give our category, the holding category, a name and an abbreviation. Each of the categories needs to be one of four types, either accommodation, activity, general, or travel. Notes can be added here for the users to be aware of certain circumstances. The number and range of categories for extras that are built per client would depend on the extent to which they want to analyze and split the business up for reporting purposes. Let's have a look now in our case here under the travel section. We'll select that. So we have chosen a travel arrival for all arrival methods. You may choose in your particular circumstances to split those into flights and road transfers separately. This is purely a matter of choice and how you would like to see your reporting. The rule is that the more detailed your build is, the better your reporting can be. As with all other code, once it's been used on a reservation, it cannot be deleted from the system. Deleting that code will then simply make it inactive, and it will indicate under this column on the right. Inactive code will also not appear during the building process for the consultant to use. Now that we've set up the various categories that we need, we can proceed to setting up the individual extras in those categories. Let's have a look at that in our next tutorial.